is Maria Sparks with Cork and Platter, and today I'm going to show you how to make a shredded beef and blue cheese sandwich. Today we're going to start with a ciabatta roll. These are one of my favorite rolls because they're great when you're doing things like paninis or a hot sandwich. The reason why I like them is they got a little dome on the top. And what I love to do is actually pull the bread out of the top so it acts as a little cap for all the ingredients that I'm going to put in there. It also lets me put in more ingredients, so I get a bigger, better sandwich without it all squishing out the side when I take my first bite. We're going to start with half a cup of sour cream, a half a cup of blue cheese, and then we're going to add a half a cup of mayonnaise. Now, if you don't want to add the mayonnaise and want a little healthier, you can add a half a cup more of sour cream or half a cup of plain yogurt or Greek yogurt. So we've got our 3 ingredients so far mixed. Make a nice smooth paste here. Add a little dash of salt and pepper. We're going to squeeze half a lime. I'm going to actually cut it into a quarter and then squeeze both quarters. I get more juice that way. It's easier to control the lime. And since there are no seeds, you can just squeeze it directly into the bowl. So the next thing we're going to add are 2 tablespoons of horseradish, kicking it up a notch. And the last thing we're going to add is a teaspoon of honey. So now we're going to put the beef on top of our bottom part of the bread. It just melts in your mouth right now. And next we're going to top it with the sauce. So at this point you can do it different ways. I like to drizzle it over the top. Some people can put it in a bowl with the meat and just toss it all together. I like the way it looks with all the different components, so you can sort of see everything that's in there. The little chunks of blue cheese, this looks phenomenal. The last thing we're going to add are some chives. So we're just going to take some chives and we're going to cut them super small. So you get the nice flavor of the chives, but you don't get a big mouthful of onion. Okay. You can see I cut them very small. You can also snip these with scissors. That's another little trick you can do when you want them super fine. And we're just going to sprinkle a little bit of chive over top. We're going to take the cap of the ciabatta, put it on. Now, everything is nice and warm on the inside and the bread is easy to handle. You can either throw this into the oven now or you can just eat it as is. And that's how you make shredded beef and blue cheese sandwich.